Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to disable animated stickers in Telegram. If you find animated stickers distracting or prefer a more streamlined experience, this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the main interface of Telegram, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. Tap on it to access the menu. Step 3. In the menu, you'll find various options. Locate and tap on Settings and then select Power Saving. Step 4. Under the Power Saving settings, you'll see different options to optimize your Telegram experience. Look for the Animated Stickers option and disable it. Step 5. Next, slide the slider above the Animated Stickers option to the On position. This will ensure that animated stickers are disabled. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable animated stickers in Telegram, creating a more focused and distraction-free messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you personalize your Telegram experience by disabling animated stickers. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.